This is a 1 TB internal hard drive, probably from a laptop. It's not working, which is why I borrowed it from my cousin. We are going to open it up and see the inside components, and we'll try to plug it and see how it functions. This sellotape does not come pre-installed, most likely pasted by the owner. He had opened and tried his luck as well. Let's remove this board first. Then these back screws. The plate on the top right is not coming out easily and seems to have a strong magnet inside. This is where the actuator is located. This mirror finished round thing is called platter, and this is where your data is stored. There's a motor underneath it which rotates the platter at very high RPM. The arm you see on the platter is called actuator arm. Once it's started, it will move back and forth across the surface of the platter. As soon as I plug it in, the platter starts rotating and you can hear the sound of the arm. I think what's wrong here is that the arm is just sitting in its position instead of moving across the platter. Guys, if you have any ideas or if you know what's wrong here and how to rectify it, do let me know in the comment sections below.